Hi my dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you my summer makeup look. This is what I do when I go out during summers. This is a complete no foundation, no skin tint video. I had so much fun making it. Also, I have some good news which I will post in the next video. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you definitely know. If you know, comment down below. And now let's get started with the video. Before we get started with the video, let me introduce you to my favorite sunscreen at the moment. Okay, so let's get right ahead with the video. You know that feeling when you step out in the sun and instantly regret it? Yeah, me too. Sunscreen is just non-negotiable. But just let's be real, okay? Most sunscreens feel heavy, they feel sticky, and they have got a white cast when they're on. So that's why I switched to Mamaearth Vitamin C Daily Glow Sunscreen. Just look at this texture. It's super lightweight, just blends in like a dream and gives the perfect hydrated glow without greasiness or white cast. It is completely toxin free and made safe certified. It's not just sun protection, guys, it's skincare too. With vitamin C and turmeric, it brightens the skin and helps heal sun damage while protecting with SPF 50 PA+++++. So basically sun care and skincare in one. It's got zero stickiness, but it's got a beautiful glow. Mamaearth listens to you. They're constantly improving their products, research and innovation to bring you even better quality. And here's the best part, guys. You can get 20% off on Mamaearth's website and app using my code SUSH2025. Also, I'm sure you guys probably know that Mamaearth is available on Amazon, Flipkart and Nykaa, and they're also available in stores near you. Next time you spot a Mamaearth store, do let me know in the comments. And now let's get started with the video. Since I've already prepped my skin, applied a moisturizer. The moisturizer I applied is from Clinique. It's their Moisture Surge. And then on top of that, I applied a sunscreen. I will not use a ton of products because it's summer. I hate using products on my skin and going out. So the first product that I'm going to use is this Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And you guys know the drill. I'm just going to fill in any blank space that I have on my brows, and that is about it. I just like to keep it natural. Next very important step is a concealer. During summers, I do not like to apply any kind of foundation or skin tint. I rarely use those. I just let my skin breathe. Concealer I'm using is from Huda Beauty. It's their faux filter concealer, and I am in the shade Granola. I just take off the excess and just like to apply a little bit under my eyes, and then if I have any imperfections, I'll use it on those imperfections too. I'll just blend it with my finger. I just like to keep it natural, so even if a little bit of my dark circles is peeking through my concealer, it's fine. This concealer, guys, blends like a dream. Next, I'm going to set my concealer with this Huda Beauty Banana Bread Easy Bake Powder. I'm just gonna pick some up, and at the back of my hand, I'm just going to dab it a little to just get rid of the excess, and then whatever is remaining, I am going to dab it under my eyes to set my concealer. Also, before setting the concealer, it's very important to make sure you don't have any crease. Next, for my blush, I'm going to use the Rare Beauty blush, and this is in the shade Worth. I'm going to take a little bit and then blend it with my fingers. It just gives such a beautiful color and glow to your face. You can use any tint that you already have. It just looks so natural, just a flush of color. Also, you can just skip the next step because I skip it sometimes. But today I feel like for the sake of the video, let me just use it. I'm just going to use the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Most of the times when I go out, I do not apply a bronzer, but I thought today, why not? A little bit on my jawline and the slightest amount on the hollows of my cheekbones. 90% of the times I skip the next step too. So the next step is applying a powder blush, which is like totally unnecessary. I'm gonna use the NARS blush. It is in the shade Amore, and it's got a beautiful peach shade. I mean, just look at the shade, it looks gorgeous. I totally forgot one step. So I'm gonna take the Hoola bronzer again and apply it as an eyeshadow all over my eyelids, and it'll just give you some color to your eyelid and also make it look natural at the same time. Also gonna apply some on my lower lash line. Next for my eyes, guys, I'm gonna use the Mamaearth brown kajal. This is in the shade Woody Brown. I actually always use this kajal all the time whenever I'm going out. There are very few instances where I will apply a black kajal, but just like a liner, but most of the time it is this brown kajal. And then after applying it, I'm just gonna blend it a little with my fingertip and apply a little bit on my lower lash line and also blend it. We're almost done with the video, I promise. Next, for the mascara, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is the waterproof one, and I just don't apply too much. Just a little goes a long way. Okay guys, I am done with my eyes. Now, just the last step, which is the lipstick. So for the lipstick, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. This is in the shade medium, and this is such a gorgeous shade. The perfect nude shade. Alright guys, that's it. That is what I do. I just added 2 extra steps, the bronzer and the powder blush. Apart from that, I do follow all the steps. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you found it helpful, guys, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.